Discord seems to be changing very fast, and in this video I'm going to cover one of those ways it is changing. So if I go into Discord here and I go to my user, as you can see this looks completely different to what it used to look like. If you have invisible role dividers in your server, make sure you update them. So as far as who has the new design, it seems everyone has them, as long as you're on at least the desktop version. I'm not sure about mobile. On iOS I don't have it right now. And as you can see, this colour up here is taken somewhere from my avatar. I don't really see the colour anywhere, to be honest. I think I kind of see it. So I'm not really sure how they calculate that. So it changes whenever you change your profile picture. So I have been on the Discord subreddit recently, been browsing, and other than the obvious logo complaints that everyone keeps spamming, I've seen some good posts. So what this is about is basically you can change your profile banner here, so the colour thing I was talking about, this, can actually be customised into a picture. And you can even include animated GIFs, yes I said it like that, but that seems to be at the moment a Nitro exclusive. I'm pretty sure they're testing that at the moment because it should be in the section here, but it's not. I don't have Nitro, I have the classic version, so it might be a standard Nitro exclusive, so people with classic might not get it. But people have been saying that it seems that these features have been rolling out to random users of Nitro. Not specific to the Canary edition of the Discord app, just to random people. But as you can see, if I expand this image, you can even put an about me section, so you could put a bio, like you could on Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. So you write about anything you like about yourself, and you can link whatever you want apparently. And you must keep it under 190 characters. That's a weird design choice, but there you go. So that seems pretty nice at the moment. There's a lot of customization you can do to the profile that you couldn't do before. Before, all you could do was set a custom status and a custom avatar, with Nitro a GIF avatar. Now I understand why they're making this a Nitro exclusive, because animated avatars already are, so it makes sense that this expansion of customization will be as well, because this is so much bigger than a profile picture that's animated. It's an animated background as well, so it makes sense to keep that a Nitro exclusive in my opinion. And here's another look at it. So you can see here's the about me section here. It's in beta as it says. So this is like a bio, as I was saying, but very nice. As you can see, this colour here is based on this profile picture very clearly. I was going to show you another post, but the person deleted it. I'm not sure what that was, but hopefully it wasn't something very important. Here's another look. This is with the customised banner, so it looks very nice. Nothing like you could do before, only a profile picture, but now you can also set a banner, very nice. And here's another look, if you need another one. Next up, aside from the banner, there also seems to be a new feature when it comes to server avatars. So if we look at the description, it says upload a unique avatar per server. So this is also in beta, I don't have this feature either. Just like the last one, I can't customize a server avatar. But if you don't understand, what that means is basically you can change your avatar in a specific server. So in one server you could have an avatar, and in another server you can have a completely different one. So instead of having a global avatar for every server, so everyone can see just one avatar, you can have a custom one in a particular server. So in my opinion that's very nice, and that expands the customization of Discord even more. So I've seen a lot of people ask for more personalised profiles on Discord, and I have liked the idea, and it seems Discord is listening to the community, which is always a very great thing. So I'm looking forward to seeing what can be done with this, and I'm okay with it being a Nitro feature. I personally have Nitro myself, so I think I can say that. Obviously some people don't want it to be a premium feature, but after the recent news of Discord turning down Microsoft for I think it was $10 billion or something, it makes sense that they're doing this instead. I really like the changes that I've been going through here, very nice, and it looks to be a bright future for Discord. And even if you don't have Nitro, it's not like you're gonna get no updates, you still have the banner, just based on some colours from your profile picture. So in the end, everyone gets some new stuff, and that's very nice. And chances are they might actually not make these Nitro exclusive. As I said, they're going through testing right now, as it seems, because I haven't got these features yet, and they're not officially in the Nitro section of Discord, you know, where you can see all the perks that you'd get. So we'll see how that turns out. If you didn't realise, this video is in 4K, so my channel's now going to be in 4K, because I've upgraded my graphics card and my monitor. So 4K videos are coming up. Now this obviously isn't a tutorial like my other videos. I'm taking a new direction for this channel. I'm still going to post tutorials every now and then, but obviously I don't upload very regularly. With this recent news, I've got a lot of videos planned already, so expect to see more videos more frequently. Hope you are excited, because I am. Just a quick announcement, I'm now on Gumroad. I'm selling some products on there, including my Pro Discord server course, where you can learn about how to make a great Discord server, and how to improve yours through things like quests, embeds and headers, and much more stuff. So what you see on this channel, and beyond. If you're wondering why you have to buy it if you have all the content on here, well, you don't have all the content on here. I do plan to make a lot of the content, it's just that it might be like a year before I get to that point, because I take a while making videos, as you can tell. So if you buy the course, you can get a download to it instantly on Gumroad. It's also on Fiverr. It's a much more complicated download, and you have to wait to be invited to the download. So on Gumroad it's just, you buy it, name a fair price, minimum of $20, $25, and you get an instant download to it. I've also got a new app icon pack on there. I actually had some fun designing some phone icons that you can use on your phone. Now, I really do like them. They're based on the neuromorphism design. If you don't know what that is, basically, to put it simply, it's using shadows to create a 3D effect. It's relatively new design. It's not that popular yet, but I'm sure it will take off. I really like the design of it, and that's what inspired me to make the app icons. So you can also buy those for a minimum of $7. I'm also going to be constantly updating that with updated icons, ones that look better, and try and perfect them as much as possible. Anyway, that's it for the annoying plugs. Apologies if you don't like them, gotta get them out. So that's it for this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and until next time, goodbye.